And Italy must be done. Not why are you media? I want to address your announcement. Media, but this is not. I want to address the media. I want to address the media. The declaration has to be done today and here. You can take that declaration. The declaration of resources will be done. That's not before the Italy has been done. I have said for the not before. Italy will be done. It's our right. How long will you take to seek for that clarification?
We must know.
We must know. We must know. Valid answers for valid questions. So you shut up.
You must be accountable.
An election process is presumed to be a free and fair process. We are asking for the fairness, and it is within the rights and the powers of the IBC to provide to us a clarification as to when the retallying will be done. It is not a favor we are asking, it is not a privilege we are asking for the right that the IBC is mandated to execute. We are asking for retallying. I've asked 2 questions to the returning officer. When is he willing to retally? If he is willing to retally, what time is he going to retally? He has said that he needs to get clarification from his superiors. So I've asked him to tell us what time he should be here for retally.
Naomba kila mtu aketi. Simadana ya kusimama wateni. Ili tuweze kuelewana tunaenda namna gani? Naomba kila mtu aketi tafadhali. Kila mtu aketi. Kila mtu aketi. Kila mtu aketi. Na tafadhali kila mtu aketi.